He judged Hongdefa Machinery. Innovation and efficiency, dedication and integrity, pragmatism and prudence, harmony and win-win. Step into Hongdefa, ingenuity powers the future, machinery empower industry. The factory has set up a real production line for client visits, allowing you to see the entire manufacturing process firsthand. Hongdefa Machinery, professional manufacturer maize, wheat, rice and feed mills since 1982. Our developed markets include Africa, South America, Asia, and other regions. Our factory is equipped with 5 fully automatic laser cutting machines to improve precision and efficiency. The 10,000 square meter machine manufacturing workshop is equipped with standardized production areas and intelligent systems. We can undertake the processing and manufacturing of various precision machines, ensuring delivery efficiency through large-scale production capacity. Fully automatic robotic welding accounts for 80% of total welding work, with only 20% requiring manual welding processes. After machine components are produced, assembly is completed by professional technicians in the assembly workshop. The 10,000 square meter standardized assembly workshop, staffed with technical engineers and professional tooling, efficiently executes production line integration and equipment assembly projects. Hongdefa Machinery's packaging and logistics system operates in compliance with industrial quality control standards, delivering a visualized closed-loop process covering inspection, packaging, transportation, and delivery. We look forward to cooperating with you for long-term partnerships.